Hello, how are you everyone? Welcome back to Part5 Arise. My name is Lida. In this video, we will finish our lesson 29, Jesus Teaching Part 2. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's begin. Our first word is season. Season. Summer is my favorite season. Summer is my favorite season. Rainy season. Rainy season. During the rainy season, the ground is soft. During the rainy season, the ground is soft. Planting season. Planting season. October is a good month to plant hedges. October is a good month to plant hedges. Dry season. Dry season. In the dry season, the Cambodian people plow their fields to prepare soil. After plowing, they wait for the rain so they can plant rice. Soil. Soil. The soil in this area is very chalky. The soil in this area is very chalky. Water. Water. The water in the lake is so clear that you can see the bottom. The water in the lake is so clear that you can see the bottom. Plow. Plow. Farmers start plowing in the spring. Farmers start plowing in the spring. Pull. Pull. My mother helped pull me from the mud. My mother helped pull me from the mud. During. During. You are not allowed to talk during the exam. You are not allowed to talk during the exam. During. Almost. Almost. It was almost 6 o'clock when he left home. It was almost 6 o'clock when he left home. Almost. Already. Already. The food is already on the table. The food is already on the table. Good job everyone. Now please listen the pronunciation of the words one more time. Season. Season. Rainy season. Rainy season. Planting season. Planting season. Dry season. Dry season. Soil. Soil. Water. Water. Plow. Plow. Pull. Pull. During. During. Almost. Almost. Already. Already. Well done everyone. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and ring the bell so you can see more videos. And don't forget to practice your speaking or writing with our words that we have learned today. If you want to learn a full lesson taught by Miss Jenny Taylor, you just click the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.